Is your Siemens EQ6 showing a service required message and refusing to brew? This sounds serious, but it's usually just a routine maintenance alert, not a breakdown. Let's go step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, what to do, and when to call for help. Step 1. Understand the message. The service required screen appears after a set number of cycles or hours of use. It's meant to prompt internal cleaning, descaling, and lubrication, and not to report a failure. Step 2. Run a full Calc'n'Clean cycle. Go to Cleaning and Maintenance, Calc'n'Clean. Follow all prompts using Siemens descaling and cleaning tablets. This clears buildup and resets the usage timer if successful. Step 3. Lubricate the brewing unit. Remove the brewing unit from the side panel. Apply food-safe silicone grease to the moving parts, especially the piston. Lubrication is key to preventing wear and sensor misreads. Step 4. Reinsert and restart. Reinsert the brewing unit until it clicks. Turn off the machine, unplug for 5 to 10 minutes, and plug it back in. The message should now be cleared. Step 5. If the message returns immediately, if it still says service required after these steps, there may be a sensor issue. Time to contact Siemens support. If this video helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast EQ6 guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing.